Now we need to subtract a multiple of 100,000, so that's a number that ends in 5 zeros. First, we have 555,000 minus 500,000. Now if we highlight our 100,000s digits, 5 minus 5 is 0, so our answer is just 55,000. Now we have 490,000 minus 300,000. If we highlight our 100,000s digits, 4 minus 3 is 1, and then all of our other digits stay the same, so we have 190,000. And now 750,000 minus 500,000. Again, we can just highlight our 100,000s digits. 7 minus 5 is 2, and all of our other digits stay the same, so we have 250,000. And we can show the subtractions using place value counters. So for this first question, we started with 555,000, which we've shown here, and we were subtracting 500,000. Now that's the same as taking away 500,000 counters, so we're left with just 55,000. That's 5 10,000s and 5,000s. Then we had 490,000, which we've shown here, and to subtract 300,000s, we can take away 3 of our 100,000s counters to give us 190,000. That's 100,000, and we still have our 9 10,000s. Then we had 750,000, and we were subtracting 500,000. If we take away 5 of our 100,000 counters, we now have 200,000 counters, and we still have our 5 10,000 counters. So that's why our answer is 250,000.